Welcome to the Ana-lyst Corner offered to you by 11 Blockchains. I am Enrico Camerinelli, VP of Research. The topic of discussion is how to become an enterprise blockchain expert. Well, as a career, being a blockchain professional is an excellent choice. However, building skills to become an enterprise blockchain professional can be demanding. In this Ana-lyst Corner, I'll analyze and suggest the skills you need to build up and what your responsibilities will be in your new enterprise blockchain professional position. Who is an enterprise blockchain professional, first of all? The answer you would get from most of the certification courses out there is normally about blockchain professionals, not enterprise blockchain. That is, someone with strong technical skills in blockchain. While this is a good answer, in reality, an enterprise blockchain professional is someone that puts that technical expertise at the service of an enterprise environment. So, to become a true enterprise blockchain professional and land yourself enterprise blockchain professional jobs, you have to first work very hard to gain technical skills. And with your newly acquired knowledge on blockchain technology, you have to excel at an enterprise business perspective. If not, you'll be a good technician, but not a business creator for enterprises. More of this will come after reviewing the technical skills needed. First of all, you must be an expert in popular programming languages. This first one is rather obvious. For your blockchain professional future, you must be an expert in coding. Without it, you will face difficulties in pursuing this career. As there are still many versions of blockchain protocols, you must decide every time which one will be the best fit for your specific blockchain project. For example, Python, JavaScript, Solidity are few of the languages that are suitable for blockchain platforms. Then, you must be able to develop blockchain-based solutions. Know how to develop software applications, as you'll be expected to develop many solutions for your company or for your clients. Another tip for you: try to cover the configuration of databases as well. Why that? Well, enterprise business models are actually quite backdated. So, when using the new technology, you have to integrate it into the old models and make sure that all works perfectly smoothly. Then, be a master in blockchain infrastructure configuration and development. Blockchain infrastructures are quite complicated, and not many people out there understand how things work. So, when you lead a team for a blockchain solution project, you must know just how you can design the infrastructure. But how can you do that without knowing anything about popular blockchain platforms? That's why you must quickly learn about those infrastructures and dissect how they operate before implementing your blockchain solution. To be a blockchain technical professional, you must be experienced with blockchain platforms. As a start, check out technical white papers of Hyperledger Fabric, Daml, R3 Corda, and Enterprise Ethereum. You can expect a high payoff if you can prove that you have deep experience in each of these platforms. Then, be able to develop smart contracts. Even if you may not participate in the coding phase, still your teammates may come to you for tips and advice. Another thing, you may have to check for quality before you roll out a solution running on a smart contract. The slightest error can end in a catastrophe. Understand blockchain data structures. Blockchain is quite a complex technology, and in many iterations, developers use different techniques to pull it off. For example, Merkle tree or Merkle-Patricia tree are extremely popular blockchain structures. To make your solution successful, you must know at any time which is the best for the project you are running at that moment. Be a master of cryptography. Cryptography will secure your platform from malicious attacks. And in an enterprise environment, it's absolutely necessary for you to make your solutions as secure as possible. So it's a must for you to master cryptography. Have a technical grasp on interoperability. Although many platforms are trying to implement it, only a handful can really offer it. So, for your blockchain professional future, you have to master interoperability. because your company or client will need it in the future. Understand the decentralized and distributed ledgers. Enterprises expect you to have knowledge of these structures, so make sure to learn as much as you can. Have cross-discipline broad skills. Agility, out-of-the-box thinking, analytical mind is something all enterprises are looking for at present. Industry sector knowledge, use case examples, creativity, ability to communicate is what prospective clients want from an external partner. Be an expert in blockchain standards and ecosystems. Blockchain professional services will engage you to develop ecosystems and adopt existing standards as much as possible. So, without a technical background in this topic, you can't see yourself become a true blockchain professional. Be a pro at blockchain DevOps tools. These tools can help you to develop or design and even test your solutions before rollout. You should remember that the coding in blockchain is rather complex and can give rise to a lot of loopholes if you do not do it correctly. Understand blockchain architectures. Blockchain architectures are a bit different than infrastructures. Just knowing about infrastructures won't help. There are practically 3 different types of blockchain architectures: federated, private, and public. As a blockchain technology professional, you must know about these architectures. Understanding the underlying differences between these will allow you to design your very own enterprise solutions. So, we have seen what are the skills needed for a technical blockchain professional. Now, what does an enterprise blockchain professional do? The following are the skills that will elevate you from blockchain professional to enterprise blockchain professional. An enterprise blockchain professional delivers administrative support to the project team. You will lead and guide a team of smart people, and you must support them. An enterprise blockchain professional simplifies blockchain solutions. An enterprise blockchain professional makes blockchain solutions look simple and understands when these solutions risk of getting overcomplicated. And when complexity is inevitable, the enterprise blockchain professional knows how to explain the decision to the team and to the business people in business terms. The enterprise blockchain professional manages blockchain projects. One of the key responsibilities that enterprise clients expect from an enterprise blockchain professional. The enterprise blockchain professional couples blockchain with enterprise business processes. An effective enterprise blockchain professional maps blockchain applications with enterprise business processes to find the right fit to the enterprise client's needs. Formulates business models based on blockchain. As we all know, blockchain promises to disrupt current business models, just like internet did for e-commerce and social media networks. Companies are on the hunt for enterprise blockchain professionals that have sufficient imagination and creativity to boost business revenues. An enterprise blockchain professional reviews architecture quality and provides assurance. When the developers are done with the applications, you will review them to ensure the architecture is solid. In some cases, you will be tasked to identify and fix potential issues. Now, how can you qualify to become an enterprise blockchain professional? First, get experience in blockchain development lifecycle. Only a handful of people can actually handle a blockchain-based product from the design phase to the marketing phase. You must be one of them. Pursue a degree or an equivalent work experience. An enterprise wants to know if you are qualified for the job. Getting a university degree or a certificate before applying for a blockchain job is a huge plus point. If you can offer working experience in the industry, that will be an additional competitive score to apply for an enterprise blockchain professional position. Then, get an enterprise blockchain certification. Enterprises are very careful that the enterprise blockchain professional candidate has a real enterprise experience. Displaying a certificate from a training course that covered enterprise blockchains and the impact of distributed ledgers in operations and business processes is a valid entry-level passport. So, in conclusion, becoming an enterprise blockchain professional is one of a kind career choice. The best candidates know which are the foundational blockchain bricks, possess the skills to assemble those bricks, and have the acumen and imagination to build constructs that cater to the needs of enterprise needs, which are reduce costs, increase profitability, maintain client loyalty, and remain resilient in the business. This concludes the Ana-lyst Corner offered to you by 101 Blockchains. I am Enrico Camerinelli, VP of Research.